Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Hey, I just want to make a quick announcement just regarding the whole trade war, Trump sort of thing, you know, how it's going to affect you, if it does affect you. And if you're selling in Australia, on Amazon Australia, which most of our students do end up doing, they sell on Amazon Australia. If you are doing that, then it won't affect you at all, right? If you're selling in the US and you're on Amazon FBA USA, then there are ways around it. And first of all, you find a supplier that is not based in China, like Vietnam, Thailand, Taiwan, around the region, you know, even Laos or Cambodia, or even Bali, Indonesia, right? Or alternatively, you ask the supplier, hey guys, do you have a sister company, or do you have a warehouse or a company where we can distribute our goods via another country? Because that is the way to get around. Now, you want to do it legally though. You don't want to do this illegally at all, right? You want to make sure that you are doing this above the books and above the well, you don't want to get in trouble, basically, right? So just ask them, do you have a sister company? And most of the time they do. Most of the time the Chinese supplier, now they're going offshore and they've got sister companies in Vietnam, Indonesia, Taiwan, and Laos. So make sure you check that out, guys, and ask them that, all right? So have a fantastic day. Don't forget, I'm doing a conference this month, the 28th and 29th of September this month. Check it out. I'd love to have you there. I'd love to work with you one-on-one and help you get your product launched on Amazon. Bye-bye for now. See you later.